Hello and welcome. I'm going to, today we're going to do a lemon study. And interesting thing about a lemon is that you get into the dark shadows around this area. By making yellow dark or darker, it's very easy for it to go green. So we have to compensate for that as we work our way through. Our objectives today is to map out on the canvas, as you see here, the correct shape of the lemon. I'm going to bring the lemon so that it starts about here, but there's more space above. And then I'm going to make a decision. So you can see we've got less space here than we have there. So the lemon effectively is looking into the space. This is going to be about here. And I'm just wondering, is there too much space there? I think possibly there is. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring this across to here and mark off exactly the same space on the other side. So at this stage, just relax into the drawing. And when you're drawing curves, always do it with a straight line. Might sound like a contradiction, but if you try to draw a curve, you're probably going to end up getting it terribly wrong. So still at the surgery stage of this project, just a little bit here and there. Let's make this brush a little bit wetter. I want to keep it a fairly simplistic line drawing at this stage. It's about there, I think. Now another shadow. Let's look at the shadow coming across here.